Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, this is PepsiCo. PepsiCo Careers is hiring, guys. Everybody knows Pepsi, the brand Pepsi. So it says dare for brands that do good. So they have so many job openings, guys. You just would go to PepsiCoJobs.com, click on the career area. As you can see, they have financial and legal, human resources administrations, research and development, supply chain, marketing and sales, production and operations. So I just wanted to come and share with you guys. So for instance, if we wanted to type in remote and we just click on remote, I'm just gonna like do the quick thing that I was doing here. They have customer service and they're hiring worldwide. So as you can see, there's Mexico. Here's a remote position for New Jersey. Here's a Cairo, Egypt. How cool is that, guys? They have a position here for Egypt. This is multiple locations, Egypt. This one is in India. This one is in India. This one is in Spain. This one is in India. This one is in Mexico or Mexico. So as you can see here, this is Ocean Freight Excellence. That's remote. You see Plano, Texas. This is India. This is Austin, Indiana. This is Greece. Oh, wow. How cool is that? Greece, guys. So I just wanted to come and do a quick video just to let you know, guys, that they are hiring. This is United Kingdom. This is in India. This is in India. This is in Spain. As you can see, there are over 200 here. But if I just wanted to type in, if I came up here and I look for find jobs and I typed in remote, just typing it in, let's see what pops up. If it gives me the same thing, I believe it's going to give me the same thing. But at one point I came and I typed in, I think I removed this out of here. And when I tell you, they have so many jobs here, guys. Look, 4,050 jobs that are here, that are located here. So it is just so cool, guys, that they have so many jobs. And I was just so excited to come and share with you. It said it would make us smile for you to join our talent community, guys. So come over to PepsiCoJobs.com. I'll put the link in the description of this video. Super excited for whoever gets one of these positions, guys. Sending lots of love, hugs, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing, guys. Most importantly, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much, guys, for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm so grateful for you. I appreciate you all so very much. Love you lots. And guys, I'll see you later. Bye for now, friends. Talk to you later.